Hi there and welcome to our top 5 best table storage stools for the living room video. We all know how cluttered living rooms can get with toys, books, and other items. But what if we told you that there's a solution that can help you store all your items and save space? That's right, we're talking about table storage stools. These multifunctional stools not only provide extra seating but also come with storage compartments. They are perfect for organizing your living room and keeping it clutter-free. So sit back, relax, and join us as we showcase the top 5 best table storage stools for your living room. Number 5. Acanva ALD 718 DPO Velvet Ottoman Square Foot Stool. The Acanva Velvet Ottoman Square Foot Stool is a highly recommended piece of furniture for any living room. With its soft velvet material, it adds a touch of luxury to the room, and its construction is sturdy and well made. The size of the stool is perfect for propping up feet or using it has extra seating for guests. It's also versatile enough to be used as a side table for holding drinks or snacks. The square design makes it easy to place anywhere in the room, and its compact size doesn't take up too much space. The dark purple color is beautiful and adds a pop of color to any neutral tone living room. It blends in well with any decor, and cleaning the ottoman is effortless, simply needing to be wiped down with a damp cloth. Overall, the Acanva Velvet Ottoman Square Footstool is a great investment for anyone looking for a stylish and functional piece of furniture for their living room. Its quality, comfort, and versatility make it a valuable addition to any home. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 4. SB0BLGX6 HPV Storage Ottoman Swivel Footstool. The ASB Storage Swivel Footstool is a popular choice among homeowners who are looking for a stylish and practical storage solution for their living room. The ottoman is made of high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. Its swivel design allows for easy use and comfort, while the storage space inside is perfect for books, magazines, or even a throw blanket. The modern and stylish design of the ottoman makes it a great addition to any living room decor. Available in a range of colors and finishes, it can easily match any existing furniture and accessories. Its compact size makes it ideal for small spaces, and its ease of cleaning makes it suitable for families with kids or pets. The ASB Storage Ottoman Swivel Footstool is highly versatile, as it can be used as a footstool, extra seating, or even a coffee table. This makes it a great option for when guests are over and extra seating or a place to put drinks is needed. In conclusion, the ASB Storage Ottoman Swivel Footstool is a smart investment for those in need of a stylish and practical storage solution for their living room. Its durability, versatility, and affordability make it a great value for the money. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 3. Newmich B9D2J7FLJ Round Ottoman Storage Box. The Newmich Round Ottoman Storage Box is a well-designed piece of furniture that offers both style and practicality. The Dutch velvet poof footstool is made with high-quality materials, including a soft and plush velvet covering that provides comfort and an elegant look. The round design is a timeless style that will blend seamlessly with any interior design. Assembling the ottoman is a straightforward process, with all the necessary hardware included. Once assembled, the ottoman is sturdy and strong, making it suitable for daily use as a seat or footrest. The neutral color options of the velvet covering allow it to easily match existing furniture and decor. The storage box is an excellent feature, providing a discreet and convenient place to store items such as magazines, books, and extra pillows or blankets. The box is the ideal size for these types of items, making the ottoman a versatile piece of furniture that can be used in multiple ways. Overall, the Newmich Round Ottoman Storage Box is a highly recommended product for anyone looking to add both style and practicality to their home. The elegant design, high-quality materials, and convenient storage options make it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a functional and beautiful piece of furniture. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 2. Essence B98C26EF Vanity Makeup Stool. The Essence Vanity Makeup Stool is a round storage ottoman that has received positive reviews from customers. The stool is made of velvet material that is soft to the touch and adds a touch of luxury to any vanity setup. The lid lifts easily, revealing ample storage space inside for makeup essentials. Customers appreciate the sturdiness of the stool and the solid legs that provide great stability. The gold finish on the legs adds an elegant touch and blends well with other furniture pieces. The round shape of the stool is a unique touch and saves space, making it a great addition to small rooms or apartments. Overall, customers are extremely impressed with the Essence Vanity Makeup Stool and highly recommend it to anyone looking for a stylish and functional piece for their vanity or makeup station. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 1. Viscani Team 191,105 Square Woven Footstool Ottoman. The Viscani Square Woven Footstool Ottoman is a must-have for those who want to add style and functionality to their living space. The woven material of this ottoman is both durable and attractive, making it a great addition to any living room or bedroom. The square design provides ample space for use as a footstool or ottoman, making it both functional and decorative. One of the key features of this ottoman is its compact size. It is perfect for small apartments or rooms where space is limited. Despite its compact size, the plush surface provides ample support for feet, making it a comfortable place to rest. The sturdy construction ensures that this ottoman will last for years, even with heavy use. In addition to its practicality, the Viscani square woven footstool ottoman is also incredibly versatile. Its simple design allows it to easily blend into any decor style, and its compact size makes it easy to move around the room as needed. It can be used as a footstool, extra seating, or even a side table. This ottoman is also a great option for those who are looking to add extra storage space to their living area, as the interior can be used to store items such as pillows, books, or anything else that needs a home. In conclusion, the Viscani square woven footstool ottoman is a must-have for anyone looking to add style, comfort, and functionality to their living space. Whether you're looking for a comfortable place to rest your feet, extra seating, or added storage, this ottoman is sure to meet your needs. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. In conclusion, this video has showcased the top 5 best table storage stools for living rooms. The stools featured offer a combination of style, practicality, and ample storage space, making them ideal for those who are short on space or simply looking for extra seating. Viewers are encouraged to consider their personal needs and preferences when choosing their table storage stool, and are thanked for watching the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content like this.